dapat mag-ano. So, yung conversation namin was through ano lang, through dictionary.
Solid. Solid. Ano may gagawa ko para sa'yo? Hindi ako makakatulog. I can't sleep, man. I have to do your last,
Just spend time with... What's up, Luciana? I don't have any wish today. But ano?
Woohoo! Dude, you gotta give me something to do, man. Give me something to do, man. Give me something to do. Bigyan mo akong magagawa. Kailangan ko, pare ko. Oh, Mike. Come on, mate. Man, you got nerves of steel, bro. Come on, mate. Think of something, bro. Think of something. Come on, save a life, bro. Think of something. Save a life.
Oh, 100% America task, no?
Save a life.
100% man task yan, no? But, since nandito na ako since a week, to the old, na kami, old dogs.
Oo nga eh. Ang galing mo. Kaya bigyan mo na akong magagawa.
Baka ako pamaparusahan.
Hindi ko alam.
That's why, Vietnam it's a game. And you never know who's getting punished who, right? You never know.
Yeah, man.
It's either baka ikaw at kung sabihin ko yung third wish, baka ako magpapunish kasi sinabi ko kanina, third wish ko bukas. You never know.
Man.
So it's a game, right?
I know.
Yun yung problema eh.
But I know you're not gonna get hurt with this one, bro. No, because it's not you who's gonna get in the hole, man. I'm going to the hole.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Ganun pala. Ay, ganun pala. Wala. Gamer siya. He plays. Huh? He plays. What game? Anong game? Anong game? Dota.
Dude, you gotta
Siya
give me
World of Warcraft, ikaw. Ako
NBA.
NBA?
Live.
NBA Live.
PS2.
2007?
Yep.
Yeah?
Laro
I'm
tayo.
a crack ka?
Huh?
Are you crack sa laro? Maglaro?
PS2, sometimes nagpupustahan kami.
Oh?
Pumasa ka, okay na sa'yo.